So I've been going all over the internet trying to find information about transponders and keys, etc. And then I seen a guy using one on YouTube, these AutoSmart books. So I bought all three, the European ones, Audi, BMW, Jaguar, Fiat, Mercedes, Saab and Volvo. So the BMW and Mercedes ones will be interesting. Then you got domestic, which is, I should imagine is the USA, and Asian, which is going to be really good. So obviously the Europeans are a lot more manufacturers. I'm interested in the Asian ones. I'll read through the introduction book as well. So there you go. We just click on it. So where's Toyota there? So you find the one you want. It tells you the test key. The test keys for finding out what cut you need on when you're decoding. Keys. The remote type. Really useful. The FCC information you need. And the megahertz. What it looks like. 2 or 3. It tell you the transponder type. Can't see it, but it's in there somewhere. Chip information. Even tells you the mini tool, does it? So loads of good information on loads of good cars. The shame it only goes up to 2021, but that's covering a lot of cars. So if you want them, they're on eBay. I'll leave a link in the description. (1968). Goes back a long way. Really good. I'm going to have a good look through now. In fact, I'll just have a look at that introduction. Oh well, not much.